ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Hare Krishna. Welcome to this session of Srimad Bhagavatam. So, today we are going to discuss from Srimad Bhagavatam second canto, chapter 4, and this chapter is entitled as the process of creation. So, this topic, this lecture will be in English. So, myself is Sachiputra Gauradas. Please be with me throughout this session, and today we will understand how Sukadeva Goswami narrated the pastimes to Parikshit Maharaj and some of the questions of Parikshit Maharaj, and after hearing from Sukadeva Goswami what actually Parikshit Maharaj gained, that we will see. So a lot to discuss and lot to say on this chapter. So let's begin it. So Sutta Goswami actually this first time he was explaining in Naimisharanya to the saintly persons, those who were assembled there for Bhagavad Katha. So Sutta Goswami here he said that this Maharaj Parikshit, when he actually heard from Parikshit Sukadeva Goswami that about the science of self-realizations, about the soul. So all this talk was actually based on the truth of this self. So after hearing this, he actually fully concentrated his mind upon the upon Lord Krishna. That is called Upadharya Matim Krishna. He actually engaged his mind in Krishna service. So, due to this Krishna Katha, Maharaj Parikshit actually, he was able to give up the all deep rooted affection that is called Raga for his personal body, his wife, his children, his fellows, his animals like horses, elephants, treasury house, friends, relatives, and his undisputed kingdom. Actually, Parikshit Maharaj's kingdom was so vast, he was Ekachatrapati. So he has so much wealth because he was the emperor of whole world. So actually, he was able to give up due to this attraction towards Krishna. So this is good. If you leave something and on the other hand you get Krishna, that is best. Otherwise, this so-called renouncement is not at all good. So, O great sages, after that the great soul Maharaj Parikshit, constantly wrapped in thought of Lord Krishna. Prapacha chemam evartham yanmam prapacha sattama. So, he actually knew that he was going to die. This imminent death was coming. So he renounced all sorts of activities. Namely, what are those? Acts like Traivargikam Chayat. Traivarga means religion, economic development, and sense gratification. Dharma, Artha, and Kama, fulfilling the desire. So that's why Vasudeva Bhagavati Atma Bhavam Drudham Gata. Thus he fixed himself firmly in his natural love for Krishna and asked all these questions. So many questions actually he asked to Parikshit Maharaj. So Sutta Goswami told that you all the sages, you are asking the question exactly, same question he raised to Parikshit Maharaj. So Parikshit Maharaj said, Samichinam vacho brahman, O Brahmana, because Sukadeva Goswami is very learned. He actually is so much expert. Certainly Srila Prabhupada said, this knowledge, Vedic literatures are not mythology. These are not myths. These are actually the real fact because these are explained by the highly learned persons. Sarvagyasya taba anagah, because Sukadeva Goswami anagah, he was not with any material contamination. A material contaminated person may speculate something, but in the case of Sukadeva Goswami, he was anagah. Sarvagya, he was Sarvagya. He knows everything, past, present, future. Tamo vishriyate mahyam. Tamo means the ignorance. He can only eradicate the ignorance of Parikshit Maharaj. So, Hare Kathayatah Katham. The Hari Katha, the Katha is, so that's why the pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is so powerful, it is so potent that if you are going to hear from the disciplic succession of Sukadeva Goswami, then you also has that power and ability to dissipate the darkness. So this is the process. This is called descending process. Aboroha pratha means coming down. The knowledge is coming down from higher source to the lower source. Bhuya eva vivitasmai Bhagavan Atma Mayaya. How that the Supreme Personality God, his Atma Mayaya, with his personal energies, create this phenomenal universe. Srijate Vishwam. This Vishwa, whatever you see, the whole world, how actually he created, which are inconceivable even to the great demigods. Yes. For the great demigods like Brahma was confused, that's why Lord Krishna, within the heart, Tene Brahma Hridiyadi Kavaye Muhyanti Yat Surya, he actually gave knowledge to Brahma. That's why Brahma was able to create. That's why he was the secondary creator. So how Atma Maya, by his personal energy, Lord has one of the personal energy that is called Sandhini Shakti. Through this Sandhini Shakti, actually he holds the different planets. And in Brahma Samhita it is explained, Andantarastha Paramanu Chayantarastham. He actually enters to every atoms and resides there. That's why when Lord enters, the whole, everything becomes conscious. Yatha gopayate vibhur, yatha samyachate punaha. So kindly describe how the Supreme Lord, who is all powerful, engages his different energies. Yamam Saktim Upasritya. The Sakti, different kinds of energies and different expansions in maintaining and again winding of the phenomenal world in the sporting spirit of a player. Atmanam Kridayan Kridan. Likewise, sometimes the players, they play in the playground. So he is actually, this is the simile given, that how the Lord, he maintained and again winding up. Srushti Sthiti Sahar. Srushti means the creation, maintaining and annihilating. How does he do it? What is the process? So if this question now modern time asked, the modern scientists, they are going to this theory, that this Big Bang theory, that this whole world is coming out of nothing. That is their formula. But here it is not that. The Supreme Lord's energy is acting behind it. Nunam Bhagavato Brahman Hari Adbhuta Karmana. This Hari has many Adbhuta Karmana, many wonderful pastimes, many wonderful activities. Durbi Bhavyam Ibhavati Kavi Vischapi Chestitam. Sometimes the Kavi, the learned scholars, still they are with great endeavor. Durbi Bhavyam means they tried their level best to understand, to prove this pastime. Sometimes they are so confused. kaschit etat pasyati enam. Sometimes they look at these pastimes, they are very bewildered. How is it that the Lord did it? So this is insufficient for understanding them. This is very insufficient. Yathas gunastu prakruter yugapat karma sopi ba vibharti bhuristastu ekah kurban karmani janma bhihi. The Supreme Lord is one. Whether He alone acts with the modes of material nature, that's why Maya Dhakkena Shruyati, Sacharacharam, Hetunana Kaunte Jagat Bhiparivartate, or simultaneously expands in many forms. How is it possible? He alone does do it, or He expands Himself in many forms, or expands consecutively to direct the modes of nature. So how does He do it? So Lord is one, but He sometimes expands Himself in many forms. So that's why many incarnations, so to actually manage the whole world, not only this world, there's millions and millions of galaxies and universes are there. All these universes are actually managed. Yasya Gaya Brahmatikam Kala Chakra. To do that, He sometimes expanded Himself. So kindly clear up all these doubtful inquiries. So these are my queries. That one must ask such questions. These are called intelligent questions. Because you are not only very learned in Vedic literatures. Sabde Brahmani Nishthaha. Sabde Brahmani means because he was learned in Vedic literatures. Self-realized in transcendence. Parasminscha Bhavan Khalu. Khalu means in whole, means completely, but it's a great devotee of the Lord. Parasminscha Bhavan Khalu, therefore as good as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Sometimes the great devotees are addressed as Bhagavan because they are actually imbibed all those good qualities, all those things. That's why we address Him, but they are not God, but we address them as Bhagavan. So it is kind of vichikhitam etanme. This is my doubts. How does Krishna actually act? So that activities of Krishna is explained. So before going to explain this, Sutta Goswami actually, he remembered. So Guna Anukathane Hare. So Guna Anukathane means he was not actually directly manufacturing something new and speaking. Anukathane means he is actually following the footsteps of predecessor Acharya, previous Acharyas. Sukadeva Goswami is thus requested by the king to describe the creative energy of the personality of Godhead. He then systematically, Hrishikena Anusmritya, by remembering Hrishikesa, Pratibhaktum Prachakrame, and to reply properly, actually systematically he spoke. So, this is most important. Before going to speak, actually we seek the blessings of the highly devotees, those devotees. So that's why nowadays also, if someone is going to quote someone's message, some opinion, one must write down that, yes, I have taken this quotation from this book, it was spoken by someone else in some meetings, some big assembly, in his address. So that one must actually put there. So this is the process to explaining, narrating the pastimes of Lord. I again offer my respectful obeisance onto the form of complete existence and transcendence. Bhuyo namah sadvrijina chidde sattam asambhavaya khila sattve murtaye pumsah punah paramahamsya asrame vyavasthitanam anumrigya dasasva. So he said that who is the liberator of pious devotees. Sattva Murtaye, those who are Satya Murti. Pumsaha Punaha Paramahamsaya Asrame. So, from all distress and the distress of the further advances in atheistic temperament of the non-devotee demons. For the transcendentals who are situated in the topmost spiritual perfection, he grants their specific destination. So the Paramahamsa Asrame, he actually restored them. He benedicted them to go to the higher planets. This is for whom? Anumargya Dasusu. Those Dasa, those followers of Vedic literatures, for them. But Asambhavaya Khidasattva Murtaye. So, for the non-devotees, those who are atheistic people, actually, and that he actually destroy them. Those who are atheistic people. Through the different agency or persona, he does it sometimes. Likewise, in modern time, people think about it, the modern terrorism, radical Islamic terrors, and so many things we see in this material world nowadays, that is to destroy the atheistic temperament of the non-devotee demons. But on the other hand, he is actually give liberations to the devotees. To whom? To that personality of Godhead. Sutta Goswami said that I respectful obeisances unto that form, which is completely existence and transcendence. Sad Vijan Chide Sattam. This is Sattam. Means that position cannot be degraded. That is actually there, always, permanently. Namo Namastestur Savhaya Sattvatam. Let me offer my respectful obeisances unto him who is the associate of the members of the Yadu dynasty. Sattvatam means Adu dynasty. That is called Sattvatam. Who is always a problem for the non-devotees. Vidura, Kastya, Kuyoginam, those are Kuyogi, non-devotees, for them it's very dangerous. He is the supreme enjoyer of both the material and spiritual worlds. Nirasta samyati sayane radhasa sodharmani brahmaniram syate namaha. There is no one equal to him because his transcendental opulence is immeasurable. Yat kirtanam, yat smaranam, yad ikhanam, yad dhyan bandhanam, yad charana, sravanam, yad arahanam, lokasya sodya vidhunoti kalmasam, tasmai subhadra, sarvase namo namaha, yat kirtanam. So here Sukadeva Goswami said that tasmai subhadra sarvase namo namaha. Namo namaha. Let me offer my respect of obeisance unto the all auspicious Lord Sri Krishna, about whom, what is that? Kirtanam, glorification, smaranam, remembrance, yad ikhanam, audience, prayers, bandhanam, sravanam, hearing, and worship can at once clean the effects of all sins of the performer. This is the process. If you want to be relieved from all sorts of sinful activities, then you must. One has to do this. This is the process to eradicate all these sinful activities. It is explained in many times, in many places of Vedic literature, that how, like in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna says, 18th chapter, that Sarvadharman parityajam mamekam saranam braja. It will take shelter, exclusive shelter to the Supreme Lord Krishna. Then aham tvam sarva papebhyo. I will actually help you to come out sarva papebhyo, all of the sinful activities. Ma sucho, there is no doubt. Lord Krishna, there is no doubt you will be saved, relieved from all such sinful activities. So, and Brahma also says, karmani nirdahati kintu cha bhakti bhajam, means this karma, the sakama karma, the results of the karma, so this can be nullified, make it zero by this process. Vichakshana dana para yasosina. He said that the highly intellectual simply by surrendering unto his lotus feet are relieved of all attachments to present and future existence, and without difficulty progress towards spiritual existence. That is called Brahma Gatim. Binnanti hi Brahma Gatim Gata Kalmas. So without any difficulty, Tasmai Subhadra Sarvase Namo Namah. Because I am let me offer my respectful obeisances again and again. So, just by surrendering, one can be relieved of all attachments to present and future existence. So, how this attachment is, yamam bapi smaran bhava tyajanti ante kalembaram. People think about your belongings, or you are so much attached to this material world, then you will tyajanti ante kalam tam tam evaiti konteya sadatad bhavati bhavitah, means you will get those, you will get all your destinations, those bhava. So that was most dangerous. So we should be very careful. So that's a Bindanti Brahma Gati. What is the first? Sangam Vyudas So Vyatunantar Atmana. This Sangam, just by surrendering one, can be relieved. So this is the process. So he was explaining. So here he said that Taposvino Dana Para Yasosvina. Taposvina means the great learned sages. Dana Para, the great, I mean to say, the purpose of charity. Yasosvina, the great worker of destinations. Manasvina mantra vidaha sumangalaha. Manasvinaha. Manasvina, the great philosophers or mystics. Mantra vida, expert chanter of different kinds of mantras. Sumangalaha. And those who are follower of Vedic literatures. Khemam na bindanti bina yad arpanam. Khemam na bindanti means, khema means it is, if they are the fruitive activities, a result, na bindanti, they do not attain. Bina yad arpana, if they are not going to arpan, offer, dedicate all these things, tasmai subhadra sarvase namo namaha, means all this tapasvi, danapara, yasasvi, manasvi, mantravid, sumangala, all peoples cannot achieve any fruitive result without dedication of such great qualities to the service of the Lord. So unless and until one, so that's why it is called hara avaktasya kuto mahadguna manorathena dhavato hi. Sometimes these peoples, those who are, they have got all this perfections in their life, but if these are not connected with Krishna, these are all valueless, do not help. So this is the most important verse. One can remember that how Sukadeva Goswami 5000 years ago, he explained about the different races. Now people are thinking of racism, categories. No. In 5000 years ago also these people exist. Kirata Hunandra Pulindra Pulakasa अवीर शुंभ यवन खसादयः ये अन्ये च पापा यद अपाश्रय श्रेय शुद्ध्यन्ति तस्मै प्रभा विष्णवे नमः. So Kirata means this was the province of old Bharat. Huna Andhra, Huna means now it is part of Germany or Russia. Andhra Pradesh, yeah, part of in South India. Pulindra, the Greeks. Pulakasa, another province in Greece. Abhira means the part of old Sindh. Abhira. Sumbha means it is another province. Yavana of the Turks. And Khasa Adayah, Khasa means the Mongolian province, which is now China, yeah, Mongol. Ye अन्ये च पापा यद अपाश्रय श्रयः. Apasraya, asraya means having taken shelter of the devotees of the Lord. Apasraya, asraya. If they take exclusive devotional service or the shelter of the devotees, Sudhyanti, they can also be purified. How? Tasmai Prabha Vishnave Namaha. Because this is the holy name of the Lord Vishnu. This is the power of the holy name. So, the power of holy name has so much potency that it can purify even if the races, those who are against the Vedic principles, those who are not living according to the human beings' standards. Saesa Atma Tattvatam Abhisharas Trayi Mayo Dharmastapo Mayaha. So Atma, the super soul, Atma Vatam, those who are self-realized souls, Adhivasarasa, the Lord, Supreme Lord, Trayimayo Dharmyastapo Mayaha. Trayimaya, the personified Vedas, Dharmamaya, personified religious scriptures, Tapamaya means those are personal austerities, Gata Vyalikair Ajasankaradibhi. Aja means Brahma, Sankara the Lord Shiva, and Vitarkya Lingaha Bhagavan Prasidatam. One who is observed with awe and venerations, Bhagavan the personal Godhead Prasidatam, be kind to me. So here it is said, He is the super soul. Lord is the super soul actually, and the supreme Lord of all self-realized souls. He is the personification of the Vedas, religious scriptures and austerities. He is worshipped by Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and all those who are transcendental to all presentations. Being so revered with awe and veneration, may that personality of Godhead be pleased with me. Sriyapati, he is the Pati of Lakshmi. Yajnapati, he is the Pati, owner of all the different kinds of yajna. Prajapati means the leader of all living entities. Dhiyampati, he is the intelligence, Pati of, that's why Lord Krishna says, Matha Smruti Jnana Apahanacha. Everything comes, that Buddhi is also the head of the Buddhi. So, if you want good intelligence, you have to surrender to Krishna. Lokapati, he is the proprietor of all planets, Loka, different planets, he is the Pati. Isabhyasya, what to Isabhasya Vidam Sarvam? He is the everything, he is the proprietor, he is the owner of all planets. Dharapati, Patir Gati, Chandaka, Vrishni Sattvatam. Pati, he is the head, Gati, destination. Chandaka is the one of the dynasty of the Yadu dynasty. Andhaka, Vrishni Sattvatam Pati. He is the Pati of all these different dynasties. Prasidatam me Bhagavan Sattam Pati. He is the head of the devotees. Be merciful unto me. Yadangri Avidhyana Samadhi Dhautaya. So, actually, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, who gives liberations by thinking of his lotus feet at every second. Dhiya. This is by such clean intelligence, anupashyati, does see by following authorities, hituttum atmanaha, one can understand the Supreme Lord and of oneself. Vadanti chaitat kavaya yatha rucham. Kavaya, this philosopher and learned scholars, they vadanti, they say, yatha rucham, as he thinks. Same mukunda bhagavan prasiddhatam, that Supreme Lord Mukunda, be merciful unto me, be pleased with me. So it is that vadanti chaitat kavayo yatha rucham. So different kavi, those who are mental speculator, according to think, according to yatha rucham, according to their own whims. That is explained here. Yad angri avidhyana samadhi dhautaya. By meditating on the Supreme Lord's lotus feet, so they can understand what? Who understand? The devotee can understand directly. What is that? By following in the footstep of authority, the devotee in trance can see the absolute truth. But on the other hand, ये जो कवि लोग हैं, the कवि, they are actually speaks differently. But the devotees never think differently because they know the absolute truth. Prochoditayena pura saraswati बीतान्वतज्जस्य सतिं स्मृतिं हृदि सोलक्षणां प्रादुर्भवूत् कृष्ययतः समे ऋषिणां ऋषभ प्रसिद्धताम्. So Prachodita, inspired yena pura saraswati. Yena, in the beginning of creation, the goddesses are learning Saraswati. बीतन बताजस्य सतीम स्मृति हृदय. अजस्य मतलब the Brahma, the first created being, सतीम स्मृतिम हृदय. सतीम स्मृति मतलब potent memory, हृदय, in the heart. So lakshana pradurvavut avut. It was generated aiming to kill us as if asyataha, from the mouth. Same rishim means in the beginning Brahma actually prayed. From within his heart and inspired him with full of knowledge, creation and his own self, and who appeared to be generated from the mouth of Brahma. So Saraswati actually, she appeared from the mouth of Brahma. How is that possible? Because that was inspired by Lord Krishna within him. Satim smritim hridhi. So actually knowledge, it actually changed our heart. That's what is called revealed scriptures. It has to change our heart, not our mind. So the inspirations comes through our heart. So Sukdev Goswami actually gave his very nice statement through this verse. Bhuteir mahadvir yai mahapuro vibhu nirmaya sete yad amosu purusaha bhungte gunan shodasa shodasatatmakaha so alankrita bhagavan bachasmi bhuteir mahadvi. This mahadvi means mahad. Mahadvi means material creation. Whatever is see this material creations, bhute, by the elements of this material creation, yayama pura vibhu. This is the body of Ima, all these bodies, vibhu, the Supreme Lord, nirmaya sete yad amusuhu purusa. Lord Vishnu nirmaya sete, being set up, या lie down, yat amusu, one who is incarnate, जिन्होंने स्वयं incarnate किया. भुंगते गुणान षोडशात्मकम्, causes the living being to be subjected to the 16 division of material modes, which are his generator. He is the generator. He actually षोडशात्मका, the 16 division of material modes he generated. Sa alankrita bhagavan bachasmi. Actually, my words, please be decorated, please be pleased to decorate my statements. My statements should come out for properly, because who enlives the materially created bodies of the elements by lying down within the universe. So, actually from him everything emanates. Janmadi yasya ataha anyat taras chartes abhigya surat. Everything comes out, emanates from him. In his Purusha incarnations, causes the living being to be subject to 16. So that is the called Purusha incarnation. Nama namastasmai bhagavate vasudevaya vedhase. Srila Vyasadeva, the incarnation of Vasudeva, Vasudevaya vedhase. And Papur Jnanam Ayam Sumya. Papur Jnanam means, so, who compiled the Vedic scriptures. Papu means drink. Papu Jnanam Ayam Sumya. Sumya means the devotees. This knowledge actually drink by the devotees. Yanmukham Buruhasavam. The pure devotee drink up the nectar and transcendental knowledge dropping from the lotus-like mouth of the Lord. This actually explained by many times by the Supreme Lord himself. Vasudeva is the incarnation of God himself. Etat evatma bhurajan naradaya viparchat vedagravo vyadhat sakhyat yad aha harir atmanaha. So, my dear King Brahma, the firstborn, on being questioned by Narada, exactly apprised him on this subject as it had been directly spoken by the Lord to his own son, who was impregnated with Vedic knowledge from his very birth. So, as Vyasadeva narrated these pastimes to Sukadeva, so, O King Parikshit, Brahma, the firstborn, or being questioned by Narad. So, Narad actually asked the question. These are actually in Bhagavatam, these are the talks, serious talk in between great personalities. Or in this way, the superior authority, they explained the Vedic literature, the meaning of the hidden treasure of the Vedic literatures to their subordinates. So, it had been directly spoken by the Lord to his own son. So, Narada Muni was actually impregnated with this Vedic knowledge from his very birth. He knew all these things. So, in this way, this chapter, 4 chapters we completed. So, if you like, please subscribe this channel and like this video. And tell to your friends and relatives about this nice prayers. And if you have Srimad Bhagavatam, don't have, please, you can purchase by going to our nearest ISKCON temple, or Amazon also you can purchase. If you want to directly contact with us to purchase some of the books, please contact with us. We will give you all those books through by posting it to you, or you can purchase directly. Hare Krishna. Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Samaveta Gaura Bhakta Vrinda ki jai.